Everything is good, guys?
Yes,
Yes,
Ravi.
Ravi.
Yeah.
Yes, Ravi.
So if we take what is that 0, we will not get what is that any result, right? Any result now. Okay, fine now, guys. So this is the explanation about what is that substring now. Okay. Now substring, right? After then from the 7 all four character. Now another one is what? Another one is sub str. If we take sub str, and what is that means, what is the 7 after 7 onward, what is that 7 to index, right? Whatever from 7 from 7 to end all characters we will get, all characters we will get it. If after then what, if we are taking what is that same like what, same like slice, we taken what is the sub str, then what is that, if we are taking what, let's take 7 and index, if we are taking there this one as a, then it is the invalid. This is the invalid, here also invalid. Now what is the main difference between this one? Now this one is what, it's presenting the from that index to that index later, right? That index to index later, but it's from that index to this one is presenting those many character, not index based, right? Come on, friends. It's reading what is that specific number of characters, not an index from the given. This is the index from the 7 index onward, whatever characters are in there, those many characters, it's presenting those many from between those many characters, it's presenting the data. But this one is from the 7 index to 12 index, between whatever characters is there, it's presenting. This is the difference between what, slice and a substring, substr, right? Substr. Now another one is what, let's understand substring. Let's understand what substring. So what is the difference now? It is it reads, it reads characters between specified start and what is that, start and end index, right? End index. Okay, you guys will tell, hey Ravi, the same like you explain in the front also, right? First one also same, right? But what is the main difference now? Now whatever like criteria is there in the both substring and a slice, that one will resolve here, that one will resolve now. So what is that now? And it read bidirectional. Bidirectional, right? Bidirectional. So what is the syntax now? What is the syntax now, guys? What is the syntax now? Let's take substring, right? Substring. Now start and end, right? Start and end. Now I'm taking what is that substring. If we take substring, now means what is that, from the 7 we will get what, we will get what is that, we will get from the 7 to 7 to end, all later we will get, now string, sorry, substring, I'm taking substring. Now I'm taking, just assume that 7 to 12 if we want. From the seventh index onward, we will get what is that, to what is that, to 12. We will get the character. Now if we take substring, if we are taking what is that substring, let's take 7 to 0. If we take what is that 7 to 0, then what will happen now? We will get 7 to the, then we will get the result as a 7 to 0 index data, 7 to 0 index data. Now let's see that. Now what we are doing now, I'm taking substring, right? So what is that? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So from here onward, we will take, I want, what is that? Previously, what's happening now? It's a going forward direction, right? Now this one is working as a backward direction as well as what is that? Forward direction, both. Substring, I'm taking, let's take 7, right? Simple, if we take the 7, from the 7 onward, this data we will get, right? If we specify that from there to index data we will get. Now what I'm doing now, let's take 0. Now let's take 0 from 7 onward, this data we will get. Now let's compile it and let's run it. Now what we are getting now, guys, we are getting the welcome or not? Come on.
Yes.
Now,
Yes.
now this is the difference between what? This is the difference between substring, is slice, and a substr, right? Come on. This is the main
Yes.
difference between these. Now, clear, friends? If you are the experienced person in the UI as well as freshers also they are asking. Freshers also they are asking now, guys. Okay, freshers also they are asking now. Okay, so what is that? Based on this discussion, we already know that, right? 2 uppercase, 2 lowercase, right? Come on, 2 uppercase, 2 lowercase, right? So if we have what, just assume that we have the data. Just I'm taking the example directly, let's take. Okay, so now if we want to make this one as a upper and a lower case, right? 2 uppercase and a 2 lower case. Don't worry, I'm going to design one more very, what is that, tricky questions, like logical things, guys. Okay, that is the reason. So everyone knows that about these things, right? Everyone knows about these functions and the method, guys. Okay, these functions, everyone knows that. But the thing is, if you are sitting in interview, interviewer 2 lowercase, right? Interviewer will not ask like that. 2 lowercase, right? Means what is that? This sentence will, here we will get, what is that? All letter in the smaller letter, and all letter here we will get in the capital letter, right? Come on.
Second is to local to lowercase, uppercase is not there.
Oh, yeah.
This is uppercase.
To lowercase, right?
Uppercase.
Yeah, to uppercase. To uppercase, right? Now here we will get what? Here we are getting, what is that? All character in the uppercase, and here we are getting all character in the lowercase, right? Come on. But the thing is, now what? Whenever you guys will sit in an interview, everyone knows that 2 uppercase, 2 lowercase. But how we are using this 2 uppercase and 2 lowercase, that is also matter or not? Come on, guys.
Yes.
Yes, it's matter.
People are becoming means what? People are feeling bored with the session.
No.
Hmm?
No.
Okay.
No.
So now fine, guys. Okay, let's understand these things. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take, what is that? Sentence based the things, guys. Okay, sentence based the things now, guys. Okay, let's take one sentence. Sentence, right? Sentence. Okay, let's take sentence. Okay, sentence statement. I'm taking, what is that? Sentence statement now. So what is our sentence statement now? So what I am going to do now, just assume that now, what is that? I'm deleting this one now. Let's take welcome to. Now welcome to, by taking those functions, we can make a all letter as a capital, all letter is small, but our sentence is, what is that? Welcome to, let's make this one as a, let's make capital, right? Now let's take capital P, and let's make this one as a capital R. It's a mixed. This sentence is mixed of what? Small and capital letter or not, guys? This is not a proper sentence. This is a proper sentence. So a sentence means what? First letter should be the capital letter, except that all letter will be the smaller, na? Come on.
Yes.
Right? Come on. That is the proper formatted sentence, right, guys? Come on.
Yes.
So the interviewer will ask, what is that? I'm giving one string to you. Make that string in the proper formatted, like in the sentence proper formatted. First letter should be the capital, and after then all are I want in the small. All are I want what is that in the small, right? Small. Then how you need to write the logic and present front of me. You need to share your screen. If the online interview is there, if offline is there, then they will give the paper and a pen. You need to write it and show the result, right? So then how you need to write it? Based on current discussion only we can do it. Based on that, whatever discussion is happened, based on that discussion only we will complete our task now, guys. So now how we can complete it now? Let's see that, right? Let's see that. Then what is that? First we will, this is the string of sentence, right? So first what we will do it now? What is the requirement? First letter, make first letter as a capital, except that what is that? All should be the smaller letter, right? Small letter, like that I want, right? Like that I want. Then how we can do it now? So for that, how we will write the logic now, guys? So we will take first, what is that? msg dot char at I want, what is that? Char at means what is that? We will get first letter, right? Make this first letter also small, w, right? Make first letter also small. We got the first letter, right? Come on, first letter. Now fine, guys, after getting that first letter, what we will do it now? We will hold this first letter in one variable. Let's take letter first char. First char, that is what? String. We got what? We got first string, right? Now after then whatever data is there, I want to make this data as a smaller, right? Smaller. Then what is that? What we will do it now, guys? Then we will convert this one as a, we will convert these things in the lowercase, right? So how we can convert it now? So first we need, after then I want this data now. So just we learn what? Just we learn substring, right? Come on, just we only completed the substring. Then again we will take the let last. We will take, what is that? Last, what is that? Char. Last char. Right now let's take string. Let's take msg. Now what we will do it now? We will take substring from the first index onward, right? First index onward means what is that? This is the 0 and this one is the 1, right? So we will pass inside that one. And simply what we will do it now, guys? We will hold these things in the another string, right? So now result, result, right? Result, we will take this one as a string. Result, we will take this one as the string. Now let's take first character to uppercase plus concatenate that one. Now let's take last character dot to lowercase now.
To uppercase is a function. Brackets close up.
To upper
Lowercase.
Brackets.
Brackets.
To uppercase brackets.
Sorry.
Function. To
Yeah,
uppercase
correct,
and lowercase are functions.
Sorry. Good. Yeah. Now what we will do it now? Console dot log and will print the result. we will print the result.
Inside.
We will print the result now. So then we will able to format the sentence with what? Current discussion. I design one what? A small program now, guys. So if you see, welcome to TypeScript, we are getting or not, guys? Come on, one sentence data we are getting, right?
Yes.
Yes.
One sentence data we are getting. Same like, guys, whenever you guys will start, what is that? Giving the interview related to UI, definitely these things will come to you, right? So now copy this one sentence base example, right? Example. So one task I'm giving to you people. One task I'm giving to you people, right? So what is that? Our task will be 1 minute. I'll think about that, how I'm giving the tasks to you people. Don't worry, still our session is not completed, guys. Okay, so just what is that? I'm thinking to give some an assignment to you people. Task will be the which kind of tasks do I? Okay, so our task, I'm giving one task to you people, right? Task will be the try. What is that? Title case. Title case means what, guys? What you people are understanding about title case?
First letter is uppercase, remaining all lowercase.
Title means this one.
Title case. Yes.
Yeah, good. What about others? Only one person is giving the result. Means what is that? Just let's take title case only. Yeah, this let's take this one. Welcome to TypeScript only. Take that one only, right? Take that one only. And what you need to do now? You need to make first letter, right?
First letter of every word should be
Yeah.
capital.
First letter every word what? Capital letter. After then what is that? Small and
Yes.
like that. I'm again saying that, guys, this is not a easiest task. Okay, this is not easiest task. You need to do it, right? You need to do it. But just what is that? Based on this one only, I'm explaining what is that. I'm explaining what? Split method. Split method. Based on this split method only, we will work it, right? But I will not work this task I'm giving to you people, but working functionality I'm going to explain it. Split. Yes, split, split, right? Split. Now split function. So what is the use? It is used to split the string into array, right? So just example, let's take our last example, right? Welcome to type script, right? So how we can split it now? Let's see that whenever we are performing using what? This variable, the operation, then how it's converting now, guys? Let's take paint, right? Paint. Okay, on the paint I'm explaining. So just assume that. Okay, so this is what? One string is there. This is what? One string. Welcome to TypeScript, right? So whenever we are performing, what is that? Split operation, right? Splitting. Whenever we are splitting means what? Whenever we are calling, what is that? Split function, it's a converting, right? It's a converting into array, right? And whatever from the based on that, just assume that we are splitting, what is that? Based on that spaces, then what is that? This one will become 0 index, this one will become 1 index, and this one will become third index, right? So one array will created with what is that? 0, 1 and with the 3 indexes. It will split based on that what? Based on that, like what? In the split function, what I'm doing now, let's split with what? Let's split with what? Spaces. Then what will
Yes.
happen? Yeah, so now 3 indexes will be now. So here what is that? In the 0 index, what is that? Welcome. Welcome will be there, and here what is that? In the 1, 2 will be there, and
2.
here TypeScript. TypeScript will come, right? So after splitting that, what we are getting now? This is what? This is the array result now, guys. Split result, right? This one only we are getting the result, right? Result. Now based on this one only, you can able to do that task, guys. Okay, we can able to do that task now. Okay, so let's take that one. Let's take that one only, right? Now this is what I'm showing the functionality of what a split. Don't think about that. I'm going to explain that example, right? You need to complete it. Now what I'm doing now, let's perform that. I want to split what is that? This spaces, right? Now I'm taking what is that? MSG dot split, right? I want what is that? Single quote, guys. Okay, with 1 space, because I want to split the spaces, right? Now here what is that? We will get what? Let result, right? Let result. After getting that, what is that? How if you want to just print what is that? Welcome. Then what you need to do now? Result index number 0, right? 0. Now then you will get what? Just welcome. You will get what is that? Welcome. If you are giving here what? If you are giving here what is that? Second number, means what? Second index. Then you will get what? TypeScript.
Yeah, same split method like as in array in Java.
Yeah, same things in the Java only. Everything will be there. If you good in the Java, then you can understand. Here also mutability, immutability there in the string. Don't worry. When we will reach on that point, I'll explain it. Now TypeScript, right? Come on, TypeScript. So like
Ravi,
that.
sorry.
Yeah.
Just one question. I think means split is we can say the unidirection or bidirection is the means substring method, means
What
forward
is
and
that?
backward compatibility.
Why you
I
get?
forget the name actually.
What is that bidirectional means?
Means
Backward
by
and forward.
yeah,
Split
means
one. Here based on that index,
no
it's
no
a
no no not a split means substring method.
substring is
I not get the
bidirectional, bidirectional also. Don't
bidirection.
worry. I'll share it. See here already
Okay,
clearly I wrote it. I'll share this note. You can download from the
okay,
our Facebook group. Already everything I
okay,
wrote it.
okay. Sure.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah, welcome. Now, okay, so here what is that? It's a split method is converting the things, is a split function is converting our what? Our string data as a based on that which one we are splitting, based on that one, based on that spaces we split it. So 2 spaces is there, based on that 3 indexes is coming 0, 1, 2. So based on that we can access the data. And here only what you need to do, if you are getting 1 index, then what you need to do, first letter you need to make that one as a capital, except that you need to make other things as a small, like how previously I performed, right? So like that you need to pick each and every sentence. Now this is the functionality of what? Split now, guys. This is the functionality of what? Split now. Now split, right? Example of what? Split. Example of split now. So one more function is there, guys. Okay, one more function frequently the people are using as well as asking also. What is that? Let's take, this is the 9th function, right? Trim function, right? Trim function. trim function. What is the use of trim function now? What is the use of it is used to remove what is that? Leading spaces in string, what is the leading spaces now? What is the leading spaces now, guys? Means what is that? Space before and what is that? After a string, right? So just assume that. Let's take one real-time scenario example now, guys. Okay, so just assume that our login page is there. So we just assume that we are designing our login page, right? We are designing our login page. In that what we are doing now, just let's take our password is what? Our password is Ravi, right? Ravi. Now what is that in the project? What is that? We are checking that if what is that? If what is that? Here, let's take password, right? Password, right? Now here I'm taking password. I'm taking what is that? Password equal to. Here hard coded things is going on, guys. Okay, whenever we will enter in the Angular, there we will implement those things based on that browser, then we will see those things as clearly. But in the TypeScript console base, everything is there. That is the reason we are seeing these things is like that only, right? Now here I'm taking what is that? Let's take Ravi. I took Ravi, right? I took Ravi, right? I took Ravi. Now here what is that? Now let's perform console dot log, right? Console dot log. If matches, then what is that? Valid email ID. We are getting what is that? Valid email ID. Now else taking what is that? Let's take console dot log, right? Console dot log. I'm taking what is that? Console dot log invalid email ID, right? Invalid email ID. So just assume that, right? So what is that? If this is what? If this is, just assume that we are giving this box to end user, to putting what is that? Email. End user made one space, right? Made one space and he is started to putting that. Then what is that? If if we are not handling our application as properly, then we will get the error or not. Just assume that before that Ravi, what I'm doing now, I'm taking one space name. Then what is that? Then let's compile it. TSC invalid email we are getting, right? Unfortunately, what is that? First we are removing the space, and after then what we are doing now? Again we are placing the spaces. Then what is that? Again we are compiling. Now let's run it. Again we are getting the invalid result or not, guys? Come on. Again we are getting the invalid, right? Now what I'm doing now, then to avoid this kind of issues from the end user, then what we are doing now? We are using what is that? Means what? We are using trim function, right? Means what is that? To remove what is that? First occurrences is spaces, and after last in occurrences spaces. Then what we will do it now? Dot trim, right? Dot trim. We will now, after then what is that? Now compile it. Now make the space. Before that, make the space now. Now compile it. Now run it. See, valid email we are getting or not? Proper result we are getting, right? Now, okay. Now after then Ravi also make again spaces. Make again spaces. How many? It will remove it. Those many spaces it will remove, right? Because it will just check Ravi is there, then it will the fine. Note, sorry. TSC compiled. Now run it. See, Valid email we are getting or not, guys? Come on, we are getting the valid email result now. Come on.
Yes.
Yes.
Ravi.
Right?
Ravi.
But
Ravi.
it will not remove in between the letter, guys. Okay, between the letter spaces will not remove. If you take, what is that? See, I'm taking RA space VI. Then what is that? Again, the problem will be there. Now we will get invalid email, right? TSC. Now we are getting, oh, we not saved, right?
Yeah.
Now let's compile. Note, invalid email. We are getting, what is that? Invalid email, right? Means what is that? Split, sorry. Yeah, trim function is, what is that? Just removing before and after spaces, not inside that character spaces, not inside that string character spaces, right? Come on. Yeah, so people are getting my point, whatever things I'm explaining now, guys. People are like,
Yes.
Yes, Ravi.
so the thing is clear about it, whatever things I'm explaining, any doubt is still there?
No. Clear.
What about others? Just only 1 or 2 people is giving the responses now, guys.
Yeah, understood, man.
Clear, clear.
Clear, Ravi.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. So what I'm doing now, I'm stopping our session. Some more things is there in the string. Tomorrow we will learn those things, right? So tomorrow we will learn those things. Shall I stop it now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, I have a question.
Sorry. Anyone have?
Ravi, will you upload this chart in that group or Facebook?
Which one?
Whatever you write.
In the Facebook group. Facebook group I will upload.
Okay.
On the Facebook group, I will upload it and I'll share those links on the group also, right? You can download it from there.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome.
I'll
Now,
take
so
it in my, yeah.
yeah, anyone else?
Hello.
Yeah, Jafar.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have a question. I complete my code Java.
Hmm.
Then what I will do after that?
Just do only one things. You completed completed BCA, MCA.
Sir, BCA.
Okay, that's good. Don't think about to learn, study more, right? MCA or anything, no needed. Just need what is that
Okay,
to
sir.
be becoming software engineer, need what? Improve your skills. You are in the right track,
Okay,
in
sir.
the right platform. But the thing is, how many years gap you you have? I just passed
No,
out.
sir. I don't have a gap.
Very good, appreciated. So do only one things, upload your resume on job portals, and every day you need to update it, right? Whatever calls
Okay,
you are
sir.
getting, please give the interview. Once you
Okay, sir.
you are getting anywhere selection, please go there, start doing the job, right? And simultaneously improve your skills, learn the subject, and go further in your career, guys. Okay, don't come to the like our Hyderabad people, right? They will tell, okay, after
Okay.
completing the degree, come here, study, maintain the gap as experience. Don't do these things. If you have the time, if you are there in the right time, just try as a fresher. That is the
Okay, sir.
so much noises is happening.
Sir, I don't learn any more technologies, sir.
Don't
Like
learn
advanced
Java.
Java,
No,
Spring Java.
core Java you have na, that is the enough, right? As a fresher, and try to learn the
Okay.
Angular, everything. If you have this knowledge na, that is the added advantage for you. But the thing is, upload your resume. Try to start
Okay,
giving the
sir.
interview. Try to start giving the interview. Don't waste your
Okay,
time,
sir.
right? Otherwise, it will be the see. Maintaining gap is not a problem, right? Once 3 to 4 years of experience you will get, right? Once again, if you want to change your job, right, that time problem will come. That time again problem
Okay.
will come. Okay, So try to start your career from here onward. If that is the
Okay.
last point, that is the last point. If you are not getting selection anywhere,